If you're looking to fill your home with clean and fresh oxygen, today's video is just for you. We're talking about 10 highest oxygen producing plants along with care tips, sunlight needs, watering routines, Vastu benefits, and maintenance hacks. So let's get started. Number 1. Areca Palm. It is considered one of the most oxygen producing indoor plants due to its large surface area. It not only purifies the air but also helps maintain humidity levels inside the house. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight but can also tolerate lower light conditions. Keep the soil slightly moist. Water 2 to 3 times a week in summer and once a week in winter. Placing Areca Palm in the east or southeast corner brings prosperity and positivity. Remove the yellow or brown fronds to keep the plant looking fresh and tidy. Wipe the leaves regularly to remove dust for better air circulation. It also helps to filter pollutants in the house. Number 2. Snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This plant releases oxygen even at night, so it's perfect for bedrooms. It tolerates low to bright light but thrives in indirect sunlight. Water when the soil is completely dry. Overwatering will kill this plant. It's best to keep it in the east or south corner to absorb negative energy. Trim the damaged or old leaves at the base to encourage new growth. Practically, a snake plant requires zero maintenance. It grows well even with little attention, making it perfect for busy people. Number 3. Money plant. Money plant brings financial luck and also acts as a powerful oxygen producer. It grows well in medium to bright indirect light, but direct sunlight can burn the leaves. Water when the top inch of the soil feels dry. Once a week is enough for it to thrive. Place it in the southeast corner to attract wealth and harmony. Trimming the long vines will help to maintain its shape and make it grow bushier. You can grow it in soil or water. It adapts beautifully. Number 4. Aloe Vera. NASA named aloe vera as one of the best air purifying plants in their study as it absorbs the toxins from pollutants that may be lurking in your bedroom. Aloe vera is easy to maintain. You just have to make sure it doesn't sit in water for long. It needs bright light or morning sunlight for at least 3 to 4 hours. Water every 2 to 3 weeks. Let the soil dry completely before watering again. Keep it in the north or east direction for good energy. Cut the old or damaged leaves near the base to let new ones grow. It's a great medicinal plant to have around the house because the gel from the green leaves can be used to treat minor burns, rashes, and cuts. Number 5. Peace lily. This elegant plant not only produces oxygen but also does a wonderful job removing dust and mold particles from the air. It prefers filtered light. Too much sun can scorch its leaves. Water once or twice a week. Keep the soil slightly moist but never soggy. Ideal for the bedroom or study area as it promotes peace and calmness. Remove the faded flowers and yellow leaves regularly. Peace lilies symbolize peace, prosperity, hope, and healing. They are often given as thoughtful gifts. Number 6. Spider plant. Unlike most plants, spider plants have a type of photosynthesis that allows them to continue producing oxygen at night. They are particularly good at removing common indoor toxins like formaldehyde and xylene, which are often found in furniture, plastics, and cleaning products. Bright indirect light works best for this plant. It can also survive in partial shade. Water 2 to 3 times a week. Please allow the topsoil to dry out between watering. It's perfect for hanging baskets near east facing windows to attract positivity. Snip off the brown tips or old leaves to keep it neat. It produces small baby pups which you can replant easily. Number 7. Gerbera Daisy. Known for its colorful blooms, Gerbera daisy also releases oxygen at night. It needs bright indirect sunlight or mild morning sun. Keep the soil evenly moist. Water when the top layer feels dry. It's great for the living room or workspace to bring cheerful energy. Remove the dead flowers regularly to encourage new blooms. For best results, feed the beauty with a balanced fertilizer once a month during the blooming season. Number 8. Neem tree. If you have space near a window or balcony, a small neem plant can purify the air like no other. It requires plenty of sunlight, at least 4 to 6 hours a day. Water once or twice a week, but don't overwater it. It is considered a very auspicious, so place it in the north or northwest corner. Trim the plant regularly to maintain shape and promote dense growth. It can be grown in large pots, so make sure to use well draining soil. Number 9. Weeping Fig. This elegant tree-like plant produces oxygen continuously and removes toxins. It likes bright indirect light, but it can also adapt to moderate light. Keep the soil evenly moist. Reduce watering in winter. It's perfect for the living room or entrance area to attract stability. Cut back overgrown branches to maintain its form. Avoid moving it too often because this plant dislikes being relocated. Number 10. Tulsi, also known as holy basil. Tulsi is known for its spiritual significance and powerful oxygen releasing properties. It needs at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water regularly but ensure proper drainage. Place it in the north, east, or northeast direction for maximum positive energy. Trim the plant every few weeks to keep it bushy and healthy. Pinch off the flowers regularly to encourage new leaf growth. Do you like to bring colors indoors? Check out this video where I talk about 40 colorful indoor plants that naturally brightens up your home.